Every single one is an individual form, each question set. We had to leverage workflow. It wasn't all captured in one single form. So what we have happening in our workflow is we have a pre-fill connector that is leading to this front page. So this is that front page of the assessment where we're saying, is it already complete? Who's it for? What questions have been currently already answered? Based on some of the pre-fill information, I have a condition that's 60 conditions long here. So if you're worried about, well, how much conditions can I do and how many connectors can I do? Are there limitations? I felt like I really pushed form assembly in when building these out, and was very pleasantly surprised that workflow can handle quite a bit. And if we pop into one of these conditions, it's fairly simple, kind of rational logic of just, hey, if QL 1.1 complete that field is false, well, it's going to route us to QL 1.1. But if that's not true, it's going to go to the next condition and evaluate that. Okay, well, that was true, not false. So is QL 1.2 false or true? Well, if it's false, it's going to route you to the second question. If it's true, it's going to go and evaluate the next criteria. So in this kind of horizontal row that is very large, as you can see, this is how the conditions kind of play out. They set your trees. And one of the things that you can do is set a step to go to another step. So that's really how these conditionals work, is they say, go down this pathway, and that pathway is going to tell you to go to this other step. Here we have each of the individual forms. So this is the first question. When they submit that form, there's a Salesforce Save connector. And that's how we tackled the problem of, we didn't want to use the native save and resume functionality because there are thousands of applicants. It's a high volume applicant portal. There's no capacity on Apprentice side to help people with the password reset emails. That would honestly be a lot of traffic for somebody. So we immediately were like, we can't use the native save and resume. How do we save and resume? It's because of workflow. Gave us that ability to chunk up the questions into one form. After that question has been answered by the applicant, it comes and it saves the data in Salesforce right there. Then it goes to the next question. We added some interesting stuff here to catch issues where pre-fill was happening. But largely, this is just kind of like, here's the question, save it into Salesforce, go to the next form. That gets responded, save it into Salesforce.